So today, I recreated one of Nick's thumbnail. I was just visiting his channel and I noticed he has some very eye-catchy thumbnails. That's when I decided I should recreate one of his thumbnails to show you guys how to make these kind of thumbnails. First of all, open your Photoshop and create a new project of size of a YouTube thumbnail. You can copy my settings as well. Then open your assets folder where all the elements for your thumbnails are placed. I will provide you the link to this folder in the description so you can use them in your thumbnails as well. Adjust the background where you want. Drag and drop the suit and character. I could not find any good picture of a character wearing black suit, so I decided to create one by using these two images. Basically what I am going to do is taking cut out of the head of this character and placing is over the suit layer in order to make it one piece. Now remove the unwanted part of the character such as his shirt, because all we need is his head using the layer mask. Once we are done with the cutout, we will send the face layer to the back of the suit and place it over the head part. Fill the empty parts of neck using clone stamp tool so that we can get rid of these empty edges. Now create a new empty layer between the suit and the face layer and draw contact shadow by using brush tool with black brush on 50% opacity. Change the blending mode to multiply and reduce the opacity so it looks real. As we can see, the hairs are not finely cut out, there are white unwanted spots on the edges. We can simply remove these by using layer mask and painting over with the black brush at 30% opacity. Now add a steel texture and transform it to make it look like a steel table. Drag and drop a plate PNG and transform it to make it a bit bigger. Now add our main character to the project, the burger. Now simply cut out the burger from background and place it on the plate. Now, to create the gold burger, you first need to desaturate the burger by applying hue and saturation effect. Then apply the curves effect and clipping mask the curves to the burger image so that it won't affect the rest of our design. Now adjust the curves in a pattern of zigzag to create a metallic look with proper highlights. Now place a copy of the original burger at the top and apply threshold effect on it to bring the shadows back. Change its blending mode to multiply and reduce the opacity to your desire. Now apply another effect called Color Lookup and select Edgy Ambient 3D LUT. Now make some changes to the burger, such as simple color corrections to make the burger look more realistic. Convert this layer to a smart object and apply Camera Raw filter to adjust the colors. Now apply Gaussian blur to the background so that the burger and character should pop out a little. Now create shadow of burger by taking a copy of it, flipping vertically and placing it under the burger. Now fade the shadow using a layer mask and reduce the opacity until it looks fine. Paint the darker shadows with brush tool on a new layer under the burger layer. We have to remove the gold effect from the veggies inside the burger. For that we will keep a copy of original burger on top and delete all the other parts of burger from this layer so that only veggies have original color and rest of the burger remains gold. The burger looks dull, and to give it some shine we have to do some Camera Raw filter changes. Then add your font. Use color overlay effect to change the color of text and set it to white. And also apply black stroke of width 20 to make it pop a little more. Now duplicate the character and place it on the steel table, flip it over, create a layer mask, reduce opacity and fade it to the edges so it can create a nice shadow effect. Correcting the burger shadows a little by brush tool. Now apply a gradient overlay effect to the plate. Select a silver gradient so it goes well with the table. You can slow down the video and copy my settings as well if you want. Creating some more darker shadows by making a selection under the burger and filling it with a black solid color. Burger is way more yellowish, so changing the colors a little bit in Camera Raw filter. Now merge everything together, change it to a smart object and applying final color corrections to overall design. And there we have it, our final thumbnail. Which content creator's thumbnail breakdown should I post in the next video? Do let me know in the comments section and subscribe to get latest update. Bye.